So let's do an academic goal. Let's do something that maybe it's a little bit more relevant. So let's say I want to get an A in physics. Are there smaller goals or mini goals? Yes, there are. Do well on tests. Do well on homework. And do good on labs and projects. Okay, what are some other ones? Learn physics by taking notes. So I'm kind of brainstorming here a little bit, thinking about what do I actually have to do to get an A? And it might be turn in work on time. So I'm breaking this goal out because getting an A in physics is kind of a specific, but a lot of times we say that and we really don't think about what it means to actually get that goal. Specific, what is the goal? Okay, we're going to come back to the end. That's kind of our summary statement at the end of things. Measurable, what will happen that signals, yes, I've achieved my goal. I will have an A in physics. I love this goal. Physics. Achievable. Is this something I can do? Is this reasonable? If it's not, if you're normally like a B or a C student, well then maybe an A may be too much. So maybe you need to change it to a B. I want to be in physics. It may be too early to tell because you're not sure how hard this class really is going to be yet. So that may be something when we get to our renegotiation stage, you may change that, okay? And that's okay. However, I've said it and I'm going to say it again, you can get an A in this class fairly easily. So do I need to get help? Maybe normally I'm a B student, but I'm going to go to tutorials. So let's do this. This is a big step. I will need help. So I will go to tutorials at least once a week, even if I think I don't need it. Okay, so maybe the A isn't achievable by yourself, but maybe you can get help to get there. Okay, so that's going to become part of my goal. Is this relevant? Am I spinning my wheel? Am I going to spend 10 hours trying to do extra credit? Well, Mr. Franklin doesn't offer extra credit, so I'm just going to do the regular credit. So this is a pretty straightforward. So yes, it's relevant. I think it's pretty straightforward. So there's not really much to write here. Pretty straightforward goal. The noise might be more of a question. Can I do this and maintain my grades in my other classes? So I'm asking a question, but that's an important question because I know what happens a lot of times for physics is people get sucked into the math homework and they don't do the physics homework and then it winds up biting them in the end. So can I do this and maintain my grades in my other classes? Because your other classes are important. And so I'm going to say, yes, I can. But your answer might be no, I don't know if I can do both. So I think I'm fine. Time bound. Okay. So what's the first check for this goal? It's going to be progress reports for Q3. We're in quarter 3. If you were in Q1, so progress report. So halfway through the quarter, what is my grade? My grade should be 88 or higher. Notice that's not an A per se, but it's pretty close. So that's going to be the limit I'm going to set for myself for now. But I have a time bound. So I'm looking at progress reports. I would actually probably go to the calendar and see if I can find when the progress reports are going to be due. So let's do that. Calendar. You may have to go to the Steel Canyon homepage to find that, but let's take a look. January. Progress reports, February 12th. So that's going to be my first date. February 12th. Okay. So February 12th is also when I'm going to renegotiate and adjust this goal. Actually, not on February 12th because I'm going to wait till grades come out. So let's go February 15th. On February 15th or after progress reports go out. Okay. So on that day, I might go, ooh, I got a C in class and I'm going to have to, my goal is not to get an A. My goal is to get a B. Okay. It might be, wow, I got a no mark. I need to, or I got an F and I need to get it up to a C. What do I need to do? So this, for your specific academic goal, this is really going to become important when we get to our progress report and then renegotiate and recalculate our goal. Okay. All right. So that's looking pretty good, but you know what? I don't know that this helps me on a day-to-day basis, on a weekly basis. So let's go back to what's the smaller goal. So I'm going back to the smaller goal and I'm thinking which one of these is going to be the most important. And honestly, it's going to be, I'm going to say doing my homework on time because I'm going to change this goal. I'm actually going to set this goal as, how do I get an A in physics? By turning in homework the week it is due. So not necessarily the day is due, but the week it is due. That's actually going to be that's going to be how I'm going to achieve my goal. I think that's going to be a good way to do this. So I am going to get an A in physics by turning in my homework the week it is due and attending tutorials at least one time a week, even if I don't need to. I will have an 88% by February 12th. 88% or higher. After progress reports for February 15th, I will make changes and adjustments to this goal. So that's really the goal. What I would do personally is I would probably print that out or write it on a note card, and then I would stick it on my mirror or somewhere that I would see it every day to kind of remind yourself every day. In this class, at the end of the week, when we do our weekly reflection, you're going to have an opportunity to go back and take a look and go, how am I doing on this? Well, right now my grade's an 84. It's not an 88. So what do I need to do to get it up? Okay, so the more specific you can get, the more you can get into these and think about these things, the better your goal that you write, the more it can help you. So last thing before I leave, I'm only asking you to do one of your goals. You are welcome to select this, make a copy, and do it again for one of your other goals. Okay, so this is really meant to help you and be more of a lifetime kind of a thing that you can do. But as a minimum, I want you to pick one of these 5 goals and try to break it down as best you can and then give me your summary statement. What is your goal? Okay. So I'm actually going to add that to the document. All righty. If you have any questions, please catch me in class or come to tutorials. I'll be happy to help you do some goal setting. But that concludes this video. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.